Hello and welcome back to Guided by Spirit. If you clicked on this video, you might be feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just need a moment to breathe. You are in the right place. In the next 5 minutes, there is nowhere else you need to be. There's nothing else you need to do. This is your time to disconnect from the noise and reconnect with your inner peace. Go ahead and find a comfortable position. You can be seated or lying down. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. Let's signal to your body that you are safe. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your belly, holding it at the top, and exhale with a long, audible sigh out of your mouth, letting it all go. Again, inhale deeply, inviting calm into your body, and exhale, releasing any tension in your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. One more time, the deepest breath you've taken all day. Inhale, pause 3 seconds, and exhale completely. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural, easy rhythm. Just watching the rise and the fall. As you rest here, I want you to imagine a warm, golden light hovering just above the crown of your head. This light is pure, unconditional love from Spirit. Imagine this light slowly pouring down over you like warm water. It relaxes your forehead, softens your eyes, and loosens your jaw. Flows down your neck into your shoulders, melting away any weight you've been carrying. Feel it moving down your arms, past your elbows, all the way to your fingertips. Notice how your chest feels lighter as this golden energy fills your heart space. You are safe. You are supported. You are. Let this light travel all the way down your spine, into your hips, your legs, grounding you firmly to the earth beneath you. You are fully connected, body, mind, and soul. Take a moment to enjoy this stillness. Memorize how this feels so you can come back to it whenever you need to. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing some gentle movement back to your body. When you feel ready, blink your eyes open. Thank you for joining me on. Take this calm with you into the rest of your day. If you feel a shift in your energy, let me know in the comments. by writing I choose peace. Hi, my name is Jack Hardy. I hope you like my videos, my meditation. I'm going to leave what I recommend for meditation, what I use, and leave a link in the description. If you click on the link and make a purchase, I may receive a small commission from Amazon at no extra cost to you, which helps pay for my content. Thank you for supporting my channel.